Okay, go get it. You want to put that one on there? Okay, good job. Now hit it off. Get your bat. Gotta hit it off. Good job. Whoa! Good job, Chet. Okay, put it on there again.
You have to pay the bond in cash or you can't write bail. Almost no bondsman can pay the bond in cash.
Good job. Hit it off.
Right now, so we must capture this guy so little Chris can get back. So right now, we're going to meet Chris the father.
Whoa! Good job, buddy. Way to go. Hey, you pick it up. Okay, can you get your ball again? Get the ball. Bring it back. Put it on the tee.
Is this your mom?
Good job.
Signed for this guy from the bondsman. So I need to talk to her to find out where he hangs out, where he's at, or
Whoa! Nice swing.
this guy.
Nice swing.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, aloha, bye. You can see the mother's holding jiggers for the daughter. Your daughter's son
There we go. So hit it off.
called right now. Right, Christina.
Whoa! Good swing.
Come see you, okay?
Good job.
Find this guy, we'll track
Do you think you should put the bat? Yeah, okay. You can put that on there.
Arrow Drive
Put the tee up.
in Longmont. What kind of cars he got right now?
No, put the basketball. Put the big ball on there. Try this one. Jet.
It'll be over an hour before I get there, but
Try the big one.
okay, bye.
It does go.
He is there. I heard him in the background.
Whoop! Little too big for you, huh?
Okay, let's go. He drives a Plymouth.
Wow, good job. Okay, hit it off. Hit it off.
So,
Good job. Good job. That was good.